Okay, Tucky, let's do our letter sounds. What's the first letter?
A apple.
Good job. Okay, what's the next one?
B ball.
Okay, what comes after B?
C caterpillar. D dinosaur. D elephant.
What comes after E? Your little butt's hanging out.
No.
It's F. I can't hear you. Good job. Okay, then G.
G goose.
H.
It's hot.
I.
Echo.
J.
J window.
K.
K.
Your little butt's hanging out. L.
Up. Oh.
M.
About.
N.
And the one no.
O.
I can put
P.
P poking Monster, this is the
Yes. Pa pa pa. Q.
Clock.
R.
Rainbow.
S.
A sun.
T.
Ticket.
U.
Run boy.
V.
Mustache.
What's V?
Free volcano.
W.
W watermelon. What?
X.
X mason book. X.
Y.
Mustache. So funny.
I won't laugh anymore. Okay, Y.
Why for you? Yeah.
Okay, last one.
Seven.
You did it! Yay, Tucker! Good job.